So for 250 grams of meat, we need about 1 large onion, 1.5 tablespoon of chopped garlic, and 1 teaspoon of ginger chopped. So I've taken 2 large potatoes for this. I'm heating some oil. So the oil is nice and heated, and we'll add our onions. Let the onions soften a bit, and then we can add in our ginger and garlic. You don't need to brown it though, just get it softened a bit. After about a minute of sauteing, we can add in our ground beef. It's now time to add the ground beef. Next goes in the turmeric. Just half a tablespoon of pepper powder. Just saute that well. And a 1/4 tablespoon of homemade garam masala. And lastly, half tablespoon of salt. Fry this on low heat till the beef is browned well. As you can see, our beef is browned well. Our next step is to switch off the flame and add in our chopped coriander and mint. So with this mixture, I'm going to make 2 different types of cutlets. One is a potato stuffed cutlet, that is a stuffed potato cutlet, and the other is a regular beef cutlet. So this one I have reserved for the potato cutlet, that is the stuffed potato cutlet. So for our potato cutlet, I'm adding a pinch of pepper and some salt to our mashed potatoes. So for our stuffed potato cutlet, I've taken the mashed potato and flattened it on my palms like so. Add a little bit of the filling in the center of the mashed potato. So in my other hand, I've taken the mashed potatoes like this and flattened it like so, and then just need to cup this and seal this like so. Make sure it's nice and tight. And you can make it in any shape you want. I'm just making it in an oval shape, like this. And next goes in the boiled potatoes. Just smash this well, mash it up nicely, and combine all together. Now for our regular cutlet, we need to do the same. Just take some in your palms and flatten it out and make it in any shape you want. Like this. You can prepare this with ground chicken as well as ground mutton also. I'm using ground beef here. And now we need to chill this for about 30 minutes so that it'll get firm before frying. I've taken 1 egg and seasoned it with salt and pepper, and this is what we're going to fry our cutlets in. And no, there is no breading procedure, so it's quite easy. So this egg is beaten up well. I've taken a flat frying pan or a tawa for frying our cutlets. The first step, add some oil to the pan. And wait till it gets hot. So I've dipped this potato cutlet into the egg and coated it like this. And then we'll put it on the frying pan. The same goes for the regular cutlets. Make sure you coat it well. And after 3 or 4 minutes, flip it over. And our beef cutlets 2 ways are ready.